students in the world of chemistry, and today we are going to discuss another thing of the P block element, and that will be very important for you. Hope that you will enjoy this video about the chemistry. Okay, when we were discussing about element, actually we have completed 15 block elements about the nitrogen. Now in 15 block element, the second element is the phosphorus, and here I'm going to talk about the phosphorus in manner. Phosphorus is found in many allotropic forms in the nature. Now what do you mean by allotropes? So allotropes is nothing but the which are having same element molecules, elementic molecules, but just different, then these are known as allotropes. If we talk about the phosphorus, then phosphorus has total 3 allotropes. One is known as red phosphorus, yellow phosphorus, or that is white phosphorus, and black phosphorus. Out of this, in this first topic, we are going to talk about the phosphorus. A translucent white waxy solid. Solid is there, but waxy like candle. ગરમ કરીએ તો કેવું એનું મીણ નીકળે બરાબર પીગળેલું. So like that it is waxy. It is the poisonous, and whatever the waxy things are there, according to are mainly poisonous. So this is a poisonous. Insoluble in water but soluble in CS2. Okay. So white phosphorus remain insoluble in water, but it is soluble in CS2 and glows in dark. This is the most important part. Some elements have a tendency to glow up in the dark. Okay, like radium, like uranium, like this waxy white phosphorus also glows into the dark. Okay, it dissolves in boiling NaOH solution in an inert atmosphere, giving pH 3. So this is the basic property. It can dissolve in alkali also, and when it is dissolved in alkali like NaOH, then it is providing us pH 3 phosphine, and that's why phosphine also one chemical, and which is also one poisonous gas. But here this one you have to remember, because this reaction is also very important for preparation of phosphine. So I hope that you will keep this thing in mind. P4 plus 3 NaOH2, that is pH 3 plus NaH2, that is known as sodium hypophosphite. Okay, so this will be our task. Now white phosphorus is hence more reactive than another phosphorus. See, whatever the stable functions are there, they become less reactive, and whatever non-stable functions are there, those are very reactive. So here if we talk about white phosphorus, then white is reactive in terms of the chemicals. Okay, it is unstable due to its angular strain in molecule due to the angle 60, though its tetrahedral phenomenon. હવે આ પોઈન્ટની વાત છે, આ જો આ સમજાવું છું આને ધ્યાનથી સાંભળો. કોઈ સબસ્ટન્સ ક્યારે અનસ્ટેબલ હોય, તો એ ત્યારે અનસ્ટેબલ હોય છે કે જ્યારે એના સ્ટ્રક્ચરની અંદર કંઈક ગડબડ આવી જાય. હવે જનરલી અવર નોલેજ સેઝ ધેટ કે ટેટ્રાહાઇડ્રલ એટલે કે sp3 હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝેશન જ્યારે હોય, તો એવા ટેટ્રાહાઇડ્રલ સ્ટ્રક્ચરની અંદર એકચ્યુઅલી એંગલ જે છે એ 108 ડિગ્રીનો રહેવો જોઈએ. But here the angle is given 60 degree. That can be confirmed by this figure. Check out this figure of the phosphorus, white phosphorus ni a figure છે. In this figure you can see that the angle of the phosphorus is nothing but the 60 degree. You can see, check out this angle 60 degree no. Generally આ shape ની અંદર angle આવવો જોઈએ 108, but here it should be 108. એંગલ કેટલો આવવો જોઈતો હતો અહીંયા 108 નો એંગલ રહેવો જોઈતો હતો, but instead of 108 here the angle is of only 60 degree. and that's why it has some drastical inequality, and due to that drastical inequality, white phosphorus remain unstable, and due to that unstableness, white phosphorus is, we can say here, very reactive. It is readily catches fire in air to give dense white forms of the P4O10, and the reaction is very simple. P4, that is the white phosphorus, when react with the oxygen, it's provide us phosphorus pentachloride. Actually here tetraphosphorus decachloride, but 2 is common out, so P2O5 will be there, and that's why it is pronounced as phosphorus pentachloride. It consists of discrete tetrahedral P4 molecules as shown in figure. That figure we have seen. So જો આપણે ફોસ્ફરસની વાત કરીએ તો ફોસ્ફરસને ત્રણ એલોટોપ્સ છે, વ્હાઇટ ફોસ્ફરસ, પછી બીજા નંબર પર આવે છે રેડ ફોસ્ફરસ, અને ત્રીજા નંબર પર બ્લેક ફોસ્ફરસ. Just we have discussed white phosphorus. Now we are going to talk about the red phosphorus. So dear students, it is obtained by the heating white phosphorus 573 Kelvin temperature. Now remember this. Temperature તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું છે. The temperature is 73 Kelvin. That you have to remember, because this is the important thing for you કે આ important એને યાદ રાખવાનું. Okay, so I hope that you understand the phenomenon of white phosphorus, and when it is heated, it is converted into the what? Red phosphorus. When red phosphorus is heated, a series of phases of black phosphorus is formed. હવે આ રેડ ફોસ્ફરસને આપણે હીટ કરીએ under high pressure, so lots of amount of black phosphorus are formed. So that is also the tragical point કે red phosphorus when heated, it is converted into the red phosphorus possess iron gray luster. હવે white phosphorus white છે, પણ આ જે રેડ ફોસ્ફરસ છે એનો ફેરિક ઓક્સાઇડ જેવો કલર હોય, એના ઉપર જે એકચ્યુઅલી રેડ કલર એ અલગ ટાઈપનો હોય, આયર્ન રેડ. ઓકે, આયર્ન ગ્રે લસ્ટર ટાઈપનો હોય. ઇટ ઇઝ odorless, non poisonous, insoluble in water as well as in carbon disulfide. Important talk. Which phosphorus is in carbon tetrachloride? Which phosphorus is red phosphorus in carbon tetrachloride or the carbon disulfide? Red phosphorus is much less reactive phosphorus. It does not glow in the dark. It is consisting of chain of P4 tetrahedral link as shown in figure. તો આ ફિગરમાં તમે જુઓ કે અહીંયા તમને એક દેખાય છે, એ ચેન કોની દેખાય છે તમને? વ્હાઇટ ફોસ્ફરસના લિંકેજ દેખાય, જે ફોસ્ફરસના linkage dekha, that you can check out here. Here are the linkage, first linkage, then this is the second linkage. So like that linkage goes and form the red phosphorus. So there is a difference between red phosphorus and white phosphorus. So now last topic of this video is black phosphorus, and here we are going to talk about black phosphorus. It has two forms, alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. Okay, so types of phosphorus is another two form, alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. Alpha black phosphorus is formed when red phosphate in a sealed tube at 103 Kelvin. Okay, so યાદ રાખજો, એક ટ્યુબની અંદર 103 Kelvin ટેમ્પરેચર હીટ કરીએ તો alpha black phosphorus મળે છે. It can be sublimated in air and has opaque monoclinic or rhombohedral crystal. એટલે હવે જે મોનોક્લિનિક અને આપણે રોમ્બિક છે એની વાત કરીએ તો એ આલ્ફા બ્લેક ફોસ્ફરસમાં મોનોક્લિનિક અને રોમ્બિક સલ્ફર ફોસ્ફરસ જોવા મળે છે. It does not oxide in air. Okay, beta black phosphorus is prepared by heating white phosphorus at 473 Kelvin under the high pressure. It does not burn in air up to 63 Kelvin. તો એ છે, જો જરાક ધ્યાન આપજો પર્ટિક્યુલર કે રેડ ફોસ્ફરસ ઇઝ હીટેડ એટ 803 કેલ્વિન, તો આપણને આલ્ફા વ્હાઇટ ફોસ્ફરસને હીટ કરીએ તો બીટા મળે છે.